Hi guys, today I wanted to introduce you to the brand new Kat Von D launches. We've got the Metal Matte Mini Eyeshadow Palette here alongside the basket case eyeliner. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. I want you to vote on the upcoming polls to help me create a makeup look using these new products. You guys voted for Raw Power, which is this really pretty metallic plum shade, so I'm just applying that all over my eyelid now. So far 69% of you have voted for Velvet, which is this really pretty shade, so I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the eye look using this. So this is the two shades blended together. You guys did a great job of choosing. So now I'm going to go in with Basket Case, the eyeliner, so get voting. So I would have been more comfortable doing the waterline, but most of you voted for the outer corner, so let's give the people what they want and give it a try. So this is the finished eye look using Basket Case. I simply applied it to the outer V of my eye, and then using a brush I kind of smudged it out for a really dramatic smoky look.